In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit text within a single cell in Excel. Open Excel and the worksheet you're working on so we can walk through the options together. When text doesn't fit in a cell, you'll often see it spill over into the next cell or get cut off. There are 3 straightforward ways to keep that text neatly contained, and you can choose the one that best suits your layout. The quickest method is to let Excel automatically size the column for you. Look at the column letters across the top, like A, B, or C. Move your cursor to the right edge of the column header you want to adjust, and when the cursor changes to a double-sided arrow, double-click. Excel will instantly expand the column to fit the longest piece of content in that entire column. This is great for speed, but remember, it bases the width on the maximum length found in any cell in that column, so a single very long entry can make the column wider than you might prefer. If you add more data later, you can double-click again to reapply the fit. The same idea applies to rows. Hover on the line between row numbers on the left and double-click to auto-fit the row height to the tallest content. If you want the text to stay within the current column width without making the column wider, use Wrap Text. Select the cell or a group of cells that contains more text than the cell can display. Then, on the Home tab, click Wrap Text. Excel will keep all the content inside the same cell and break it onto additional lines, adjusting the row height so everything is visible. This is perfect for descriptions, notes, or addresses. If the row becomes taller than you like, you can drag the row boundary to fine-tune the height after wrapping. For precise control, you can manually drag the column width. Again, hover over the right edge of the column header until you see the double-sided arrow, then click and drag to the left or right until the text looks just right. This gives you the exact width you want, regardless of what's in other cells. You can do the same for rows by dragging the boundary under the row number to increase or decrease the height. To recap as you work, autofit is fastest, wrap text keeps content contained without widening columns, and manual dragging gives you full control. Use the one that best matches your layout and printing needs, and your spreadsheet will look clean and professional.